Truth cannot fight lies because truth takes too long. Such prevails eventually, but that eventuality is sometimes very, very long. आप अतुल सुभाष के केस में शायद समझ सकते हो कि वो सच बाहर निकलने में जितना टाइम लगेगा, लोग अतुल सुभाष की शक्ल भूल चुके होंगे. Truth is a long fight. And in fact, sometimes truth is so strange, nobody will admit it. कि एक्चुअली जो हुआ है वो इतना स्ट्रेंज है कि लोग वो समझेंगे ही नहीं. लोग बोलेंगे सिंपलर एक्सप्लेनेशन तो ये है, ये हुआ होगा, इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थोड़ी होता है. होता है. अपनी लाइफ में झांक के देखो. बाद में रेट्रोएक्टिवली कहानी कुछ भी सुना लो, पर जब होता है तो इतना ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है. ट्रूथ इज समटाइम्स स्ट्रेंजर देन फिक्शन. यू हर्ड दैट लाइन. एंड सो very often in this media warfare, what happens is one party begins the process of building a narrative against, and the only way to counteract this is to build another narrative. Sometimes truth is not the answer. Sometimes it's a narrative war, and this is something I've realized being in media myself for a long enough period of time. It has nothing to do with my personal experience, this particular part. This I've realized from observing the world. कि अब कहानी शुरू हो गई है, दोनों तरफ से narratives निकल के आ रहे हैं. देखो 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 क्या होता है. अब सब स्टेटस सिग्नलिंग करेंगे, स्टेटस सिग्नलिंग करेंगे, सब दिखाएंगे कि भाई हम ऐसे, हम वैसे हैं, हम ऐसे, हम वैसे हैं, क्योंकि वो आपकी कंसेंट चाहते हैं भाई. In reality, when you're important, that is what the world looks like. It's not when you're going to vote. Sure, when you're going to vote, जितने लोग ये बात समझ पा रहे हैं, जो ये मैं बात कर रहा हूँ आधी इंग्लिश आधी हिंदी में, आपके वोटों से वैसे भी कोई खास फर्क नहीं पड़ता. सैड रियलिटी है, जिनके वोटों से फर्क पड़ता है उनको एक रात पहले दारू मिल जाती है. But the sad part is that when you philosophically construct what media is responsible for in a democracy, you think media is the fourth pillar. In fact, media becomes the storytelling device of a community, of a civilization. And then we tell each other stories. And those stories get eaten up and believed by everyone. And then people fight as if those stories are theirs and it's true. And all of this circus happens for only one purpose, to get your consent. I'm not saying all people are liars. I'm not saying media, all of media and every single person working in media is bad. I'm not saying I'm bad. I'm not saying I lie to you. I'm not saying that. I'm saying apply your own head. Think about what you believe in. Think about what you believe in the general sense of the word. Apply yourself. It can begin right now. And then from there, decide whatever you must. That is fine. That is completely okay. You are entitled to your opinion. But apply yourself. Think for yourself. Be careful who occupies your mind.